Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Vijayalakshmi. Today I am discussing second problem on unit productions. That is how to eliminate the unit productions, which is one of the undesirable property of a context-free grammar. Now observe this problem. We have S derives A0 or B derives A, and A derives 0 or 1, 2 or B. So what is the first step here? If you have a single non-terminal at the right hand side, then it is called as a unit production. So first classified into unit and non-unit productions. So non-unit productions and unit productions. So which are the unit productions in this grammar? In this grammar, S derives B is a unit production. B derives A we have, it's a unit production, and A derives B. So this is a unit production. Which are the non-unit productions? S derives A0 and A derives 0 or 1, 2. So these two are non-unit production. This is step 1. So here next step is write the dependency graph. The second step is we should construct the dependency graph. Obtain the dependency graph for this unit productions. That is S derives B we have, B derives A and A derives B. Okay guys, so we wrote whatever is there in B, it should copy to A, and whatever is there in A should be copied to B. So that tells, this dependency graph tells us which are the non-terminals dependent on the other non-terminals. So now whatever is there in A you copy it to B, and whatever is there in B you copy it to A to remove this dependency. So what is the first here? Consider the first production, that is I want to eliminate A, so I am substituting for B. B derives A I have, right? So take that production here, B derives A and S B derives A. S derives what we have. So first remove the dependency, B derives A. So I am doing for this now. A is what? 0 or 1, 2. 0 or 1, 2, and here B derives A derives 0 or 1, 2 or B. B is nothing but this itself. That is A itself, 0 or 1, 2. Okay. Then 0 or 1, 2. Take the next production A. So since they are dependent on each other, next consider A. A derives, what do we have? A derives 0 or 1, 2 or B. Or B in the sense, B is already, we have here, B is already nothing but it is 1, 2 itself. So here B derives A means B can derive 0. If A is substituted by 0, you will get B derives 0 or B derives 1, 2 or B itself. And for A, what I can substitute? A also, it is nothing but 0 or 1, 2 itself. 0 or 1, 2. Okay. Next production is what? S derives. So here we doesn't have for A, we have A0 or B derives A. So that's all, B derives A. And what is, we remove the dependency between B and A. Next is what? S derives B. S derives B. So S derives, what is B here? 0 or 1, 2, or what are the productions of B? All should be copied to S. For B we have 0 and 1, 2, we copy to S. Similarly, the production for S is what? S derives B or S derives A0. So add that A0. So these are all the productions we obtain after removing the unit productions. So after eliminating the unit productions with the help of dependency graph, these are the productions we obtain. So hope you have understood. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.